Finding the right solution to safely illuminate industrial facilities with high ceiling heights and high ambient temperatures can be challenging, especially those found in harsh environments. Production processes in these locations generate high volumes of heat that rises and collects in the ceiling, increasing air temperatures. Such conditions require rugged and reliable luminaires specifically designed for these elements. However, they're often installed in hard-to-reach locations that require planned maintenance shutdowns. The Appleton IHC series by Emerson is an industrial high-lumen output luminaire designed to illuminate heavy industrial facilities with ceiling heights of 50 feet or greater with a best-in-class maximum ambient temperature rating of 75 degrees Celsius or 167 degrees Fahrenheit for some configurations. Designed as a flexible solution, the IHC series offers various lumen output levels, doubling the output of our previous offerings while providing an easy retrofit of legacy 1000 and 1500 watt HID fixtures. The IHC series offers 4 light distribution patterns: very narrow, narrow, medium, and wide, with specially designed optics to ensure the maximum amount of light is pushed downward to provide safe light levels with the least number of fixtures and a variety of mounting heights, accommodating a wider range of applications, allowing you to light more space with less fixtures. The IHC series is available in a variety of color temperature options to meet a wide range of lighting specifications. The drivers accept voltages between 120 to 480 volts AC and 125 to 300 volts DC, with the capability of dimming at 0 to 10 volts. To simplify high bay and floodlight mounting, we offer multiple mounting options, with the bracket offering adjustable positioning at 15, 30, and 45 degree set points. Designed to increase efficiency, our IHC series provides long-term reliability and high heat to lower maintenance costs, lights a larger area per fixture to lower operational costs, and allows for easy installation to lower labor costs. Already known for providing top-quality fixtures for a variety of environments, Emerson continues to innovate with the Appleton IHC series. We are committed to meeting your lighting needs, both today and into the future.